sports fans have a lot to hear each day on VOA. Listen to the sunny side of sports for the latest from Africa, the United States, and around the world.
Friends, we can all listen to the sunny side of sports.
Great show, bro. Find the sunny side of sports on the radio, online, and as a podcast.
This is sunny side of sports
right here on the Voice of America.
I get it. As millions of people find ways to stay active at home, so is International Olympic Committee Chief Thomas Bach, who had some encouraging words he posted in a video while riding on his stationary bike at home. VOA Sunny Young in Washington. Have a nice weekend, everyone. And that's the sunny side of sports.
Africa has built a successful, separate social media strategy through Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and other digital platforms, corresponding to our audience on the African continent and in the global diaspora. We believe in the power of connection and interaction to bring you news that is comprehensive, accurate, and objective. The changes in technology as an opportunity to engage with our audiences about the issues that affect them. At VOA Africa, we don't report the news. We help shape the conversation of the continent. VOA, your trusted source for news and information.
Hello, I'm Carol Castiel, host of Press Conference USA, VOA's Newsmaker interview program. Join us each Saturday and Sunday when we chat with authors, analysts, and policymakers who provide fresh insight on topics ranging from U.S. politics and foreign policy to science, culture, and global health. Listen to Press Conference USA on the radio or online at voanews.com/USA. While you're visiting our website, be sure to subscribe to our podcast. We'd also love to hear from you. Just send an email to pcusa@voanews.com or connect with us on Facebook at facebook.com/CarolCastielVOA or on Twitter at CarolCastielVOA. That's Press Conference USA, Saturday and Sunday on the Voice of America.
Heather Maxwell, host of Music Time in Africa. Join me every Saturday and Sunday for an hour of awesome African music. Like to say, the trends, breakout artists, new releases? Maybe you just love the classic style that an artist gets a pass. Or simply the sound and of a good beat. Whatever your pleasure, you can get it every week right here on Music Time in Africa. So join me on your local FM station, Saturdays and Sundays at 1500 and 2000 UTC. VOA's Outreach's television program is about more than just sitting and talking about issues. It's about listening to them and bringing their views to the table and making sure that their voices are heard. Because our lived experiences, our stories, and our voices will help shape the next generation. Check our local TV listings and join the conversation each week with our voices on VOA. Join your host, Larry London, Border Crossings, VOA's Worldwide Music Request Hour, every weekday at 1500 Universal. Tune in to hear your favorite songs and artists, win prizes and giveaways, and the latest scoop of exclusive
celebrity interviews. Send a request to our Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Or call 202-618-2077. Your favorite music played for the entire world. Don't miss Border Thursdays every weekday at 1500 Universal.
The Voice of America's global news program, International Edition, brings you an in-depth look at the biggest news stories of the day. Nobody covers the world more comprehensively than VOA. Our correspondents gather the news and the views of seasoned experts on international issues. Every Monday through Friday at 3:30 and 17:05 UTC on the Voice of America.
Make a difference by honoring ordinary people doing extraordinary things to help one another. VOA encourages you to tell us about everyday people who have shown leadership in your communities during the coronavirus crisis. Submit your nominations to VOA Leaders at voanews.com. Send us your name, phone number, and email, and VOA members will welcome you. We're all in this together.
This is VOA News by remote. I'm Pete Campbell. Our lead story remains what it is every day: the cruel assault on the world by the coronavirus. Global case numbers nearing 2.2 million, deaths now top 149,000. The figures once again come from Johns Hopkins University, though late reports from New York are also included. The United States is being especially hard hit by COVID-19, some 673,000 infections and more than 34,000 fatalities. Both are the highest in the world by far. Yesterday's lives lost here in the U.S., well over 4,000 was a one-day record. The state of New York alone lost another 630 lives, most in New York City. President Donald Trump has unveiled a plan for reopening the American economy, calling on state governors to use what is called a phased and deliberate approach to restoring normal activities. This would be done initially in areas that have strong testing and which see a 2-week decrease in daily COVID-19 cases. Mr. Trump calls it a gradual process, saying that governors will decide how quickly they will act on his guidelines. Days earlier, the president had insisted on total authority over how this is to be done. Quoting Mr. Trump to the governors yesterday, "You're going to call your own shots." But today, there was this Twitter message from the president. Quote, "Liberate Minnesota, liberate Michigan, liberate Virginia. All 3 states have Democratic governors." He also took aim at New York Governor Andrew Cuomo, another Democrat, who criticized the White House. Said the president, "Cuomo should spend more time doing and less time complaining." New York State will extend its stay-at-home restrictions at least through May 15th. Governor Cuomo says transmission rates still need to be tamed. Overall numbers in New York are staggering. 225,000 cases and well over 15,000 deaths, most of them in New York City. Cuomo puts New York's daily COVID-19 hospital admissions at about 2,000, but he says total hospitalizations are on the decline, 5 a day. This is VOA News. China's gross domestic product fell by almost 7% in the quarter that ended